ceremony may be held of the Delhi Chief Minister between 16 to 18 February after Prime Minister Narendra Modi returns from his foreign tour. Names of Pravesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Karnail Singh, Manjeet Singh Sirsa, Vijendra Gupta are at the forefront. The final decision on the name of the CM will be taken by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi after he will be returning from his visit to France. Mehndi, my colleague, is joining me live for, in fact, once again. Mehndi, the details that we are picking up indicate that from 16 to 18 February is the time for in the next week, in fact, that the CM face could be sworn in. Share more details.
Well, indeed, Simran, these are the latest that we are picking because now the speculations are very high, as per discussed as well, and several names are being discussed regarding the CM phase. So, yes, it is expected that the swearing-in ceremony can happen around 16th or 17th February because from tomorrow, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a visit to Russia, will be on a diplomatic, visit in between these days. So, yes, today's meetings are also very crucial because the major discussions will be happening today because after today, Prime Minister Modi will also flew to Russia for his diplomatic visit. But after that, as soon as PM reaches back to Delhi, back to national capital, there is expectation that around 16th or 17th February, the Chief Minister's sworn-in can be done. And before that, as in the meetings that are happening today, there is a chance that the CM candidate will be finalized by today inside the BJP's regime, we can say. And, after PM Modi arrives back to Delhi, then the official statement will be done. And also, the swearing-in ceremony is expected to be done on 16th and 17th February. Yes, Simran.
Well, absolutely, Mehndi. In fact, as details are emerging at this point of time, what we are learning is more on the note of